Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Full Tech. Few days before we release video for installation of ported OxygenOS 15 for some old OnePlus devices like OnePlus 9RT, 9R, OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. You can check how to install tutorial for those devices and OxygenOS 15 ported build review of OnePlus 9RT from the links given in the video description. Similar like those ported OxygenOS 15 build, our OnePlus Nord 2 got ported OxygenOS 15 build from OnePlus Nord 3 device. Tomorrow I will release the in-depth review of this new OxygenOS 15 port with review of all the new working features of OxygenOS 15, its user interface and the bugs for this build on OnePlus Nord 2. Today in this video, we will only discuss how to install this build on OnePlus Nord 2. Don't skip any part of this video because I thoroughly shown what are requirements to flash this build, how to flash this and what precautions we have to take before flashing this one. One disclaimer I want to give you all, only follow this video at your own risk, proceed only if you have basic knowledge of custom ROMs, unlocking bootloader and modding steps of Android devices. Now without further delay, let's get started. So what prerequisites and preparation you have to do before flashing this build? Your device must be on any Android 14 or 15 custom ROM, like here I am using 2x2 Android 15 basic custom ROM. Or you can proceed with OxygenOS 13 with fast boot and B-ROM mode enabled on your OxygenOS 13 version. I already created this tutorial video how to enable fast boot and B-ROM mode on OxygenOS 13. Please check iCard video for detailed instructions. Next, your device developer option must be enabled. Your OxygenOS 13 version bootloader must be unlocked. USB debugging must be enabled. First, take full backup of your device data because this process will wipe your device storage. Always keep your device MTK client backup and keep its copy in a PC for safety purpose. You can watch iCard video to know how you can take MTK client backup and how you can restore it. Its video link is given in iCard. You need Windows or the Mac PC to flash this ROM with all working fastboot and ATP drivers. Now power off your device, long press all the buttons like volume up, down plus power button at the same time. Your device will boot to this tiny letter bootloader mode. Now connect your device to the PC with original OnePlus cable. Download this OxygenOS 15 port ROM file in a PC, right click on the file and extract it within C drive of your PC. In C drive, you will see these files after extraction and there will be one image folder which has all images of OxygenOS 15. Now in the address bar type cmd and hit enter. New cmd window will open. Here you have to check if your device have working fastboot and fastboot D mode. For that type fastboot devices, you will see your device ID in the cmd means your device is detected in a fastboot mode. Next step is optional, you can skip this, but in my opinion you should test this mode for safety purpose. So type fastboot reboot fastboot. This will boot your device to this custom ROM fastboot D mode. If you are using OxygenOS 13, this mode will look like this. Now in the CMD again type fastboot devices. Your device should get detected with the same serial number in the CMD. In the fastboot D mode, tap reboot to bootloader option, or you can manually power off your device and long press all the buttons and boot your device in the same bootloader mode that you did previously. Close previous CMD window. Now in the C drive where you extracted the OxygenOS 15 firmware, you will get this flash underscore all bat file. Double click on this. New CMD window will open and it will start the flashing of all the images file. But if you will see CMD stuck on this sending boot for more than 10 minutes, then manually press enter key. You will see flashing of all the files will resume again and such files flashing will visible on your device also. Whole flashing process will take 15 to 20 minutes. During this process, don't disturb your device, don't remove it, keep your device connected to PC. Once whole flashing gets done, it will erase all the data of your phone and device starts to reboot. Now remove your device from PC. First boot will take more than 10 minutes. Finally, your device will boot to brand new OxygenOS 15 setup screen. Our OnePlus Nord 2, whose official updates by OnePlus offer from OxygenOS 13, we upgraded it to newest OxygenOS 15 V701, which is ported by developers from build of OnePlus Nord 3. In tomorrow's video, we are going to review all the new working OxygenOS 15 features, its new user interface, performance with the bugs and issues. As per my recommendation today, watch this video, keep your device ready with all the things mentioned in video. And after watching our next part of this video, you can decide do you need to flash it on your OnePlus Nord 2 or not. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.